Have you ever felt overwhelmed by anxiety? Perhaps you notice your heart rate thumping, or a tightness in your chest, or a racing mind. Well, today I'm going to introduce you to a simple yet powerful technique called box breathing that can help you calm your anxiety instantly. Hi, I'm Jennifer Jumis, a voiceover artist as well as a licensed clinical psychologist for almost 25 years. In this video, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process of box breathing and show you how it can be a game changer in managing anxiety. Anxiety is a common issue in today's fast-paced world, impacting many aspects of our daily lives. It can make simple tasks feel daunting and rob us of our peace of mind. You see, our body and brain is still set on caveman mode and interprets all stress as life-threatening danger, activating us to fight, run, or hide. So our body gets keyed up when our stress does not even require a fight or flight response. Our body activates quickly and automatically, so we need to speak to the body in its own language by using our breath to slow down and re-regulate our whole system. It's important to calm the body first before trying to problem solve the situation, since we don't really have access to our whole brain when we're in a panic. We would only be thinking in extremes until we can calm the body down. Then we'll be able to harness our creativity and higher thinking skills to cope and problem solve. Now, let's dive into box breathing. This technique is simple, which is good, again, because remember, we don't think clearly when keyed up and anxious. It involves breathing in for a count of 4, holding for a count of 4, breathing out for a count of 4, and holding again for a count of 4. This rhythmic pattern helps regulate your breathing and calm your mind, reducing anxiety in the process. So let's give it a try. In, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 2, 3, 4. Out, 2, 3, 4. And hold, 2, 3, 4. Again. In, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 2, 3, 4. Out, 2, 3, 4. And hold, 2, 3, 4. One more time. In, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 2, 3, 4. Out, 2, 3, 4. And hold, 2, 3, 4. Now take a big breath in and out. Now you can let your breathing return to normal. As you practice box breathing, you'll notice its benefits kicking in. It can lower your heart rate, reduce your stress levels, and bring a sense of calmness and clarity to your mind. As your body starts to calm down, you can also adjust or slow down the tempo of your 4 counts to deepen the calming effect. Consistency is key when it comes to reaping the full benefits of box breathing. By incorporating this technique into your daily routine, you'll build resilience against anxiety and enhance your overall well-being. Remember, calm the body first, then think about the situation. I encourage you to give box breathing a try and share your experiences in the comments below. Also, don't forget to explore our other videos for more relaxation techniques to help you lead a more peaceful and balanced life. And if you're looking for a voiceover artist to bring your next project to life, please email me a portion of your script and I'd be happy to send you a sample of your script with my voice. Until then, be well.